In this video, I will be explaining a simple trick on how to post contra entry in double column cash book. So contra entry primarily happens because of two transactions in double column cash book. One is when cash is deposited in bank and the other is when cash is withdrawn from bank. Here I have given the format of double column cash book. This is your receipt side, debit side is receipt side and credit side is payment side. Now you have cash and you have bank. You have a separate column for cash and bank on both the sides, and then you have column for the ledger folio. First you have to understand how to write when cash is deposited in bank. Understand what happens when cash is deposited in bank. When you deposit cash in bank, which means the raw cash that you are holding in hand, the rupee note, goes down and the same amount is now being deposited inside your bank account, which means your bank balance goes up and your cash in hand balance comes down. Now what is going up? Bank is going up, and what is coming down? Cash balance is coming down. Now this is the primary thing that you have to ascertain. Just trace the movement, and then whichever item that is moving up, go to the debit side of that column. Now in this case bank account is going up, so I go to the debit side of bank. So let us imagine we deposited rupees 5,000 in our bank. So let us imagine rupees 5,000 money deposited in bank. Now you have to write the amount first on the debit side of bank account, 5,000 rupees, because bank is going up and now cash is coming down. So come to cash column and immediately write on the credit side of cash column, write 5,000. So you have fixed the amount first. This is the procedure. You have to first pick the side and write the amount under that correct column. A lot of students will go from the left hand side to right hand side. They will fill the date first and then particulars first, and then they will write the column and write the amount in the respective column, and they end up writing bank account to be what was to be written in bank column inside cash column, or what was supposed to be written on the debit side they will end up writing in the credit side. Lots of errors students commit. So if you follow this method, your chances of making errors will be extremely minimized. Once you have filled the amount here in bank account, you are only dealing with these two ledgers, bank account and cash account. Therefore, when you have written amount in bank account, you just simply have to write the alternative of it, the other item, which is the cash account. So you have to write to cash, and similarly here on the credit side you have written 5,000 on cash column. Therefore you simply pick the alternative text, which is the bank account, and write bank. After you have written all the postings, just write see here and see here. This tells you that this is a contra entry. Similarly, let us see how to write it for the second situation, which is cash withdrawn from bank. Let us assume an amount of rupees 3,000 we withdrew from bank. Now in this case, again trace the two elements. What are the two elements? My cash in hand is going up, because imagine you are going into ATM and you are inserting your debit card and you are taking out cash. Therefore your cash in hand will go up, and consequently what will go down? Your bank balance will go down. So find out what goes down and what goes up. Your cash balance will go up, raw cash will go up, and the balance in your bank account will go down. Therefore whichever is going up, go to the debit side of that column. Here cash is going up, go to the debit side of the cash column in the double column cash book and just write 3,000 first. Cash is increasing, so debit cash by 3,000, and bank is decreasing, and similarly write 3,000 on the credit side of bank column. Once you have written this first correctly, then you can simply write the text. Here I have written the number in cash column, so I have to write the other account here to bank account, and here I have written the amount in bank column. Here I have to write the alternative amount here by cash account 3000. And once I have done the posting, I just have to write contra on the LF column. So I hope this is clear. This is one simple way to account contra entry inside double column cash book. Let me know in the comments if you still have any doubts, or if you have doubts, or if you have some other doubts in double column cash book or any other accounting entry wise. You can definitely write in the comment section. I will make a separate video for it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.